I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars GP Plus RV4 Rideknit leather jacket. The GP Plus R V4 Rideknit jacket retails for $649.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't reshoot videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing?
I am 5'11", 160-ish pounds. And
What is the ish? Like 2, 3?
Could be 4. You never know, man.
You might want to lose a couple pounds. You got to race.
All right. You might want to grow some hair.
That should say.
I'm wearing a 50 euro.
Give him a nice 360. How does it feel?
Race fit, for sure. I mean, it definitely fits a little tight, but I mean in a good way. Not going to be restrictive whatsoever when I'm riding. I'm not saying I'm riding on the street, but pretty sweet. Big fan of it.
It's a good-looking jacket.
Good-looking jacket.
It's a very good-looking jacket.
I like what they did with the material and the Rideknit and how it's got that almost reddish-orange fluorescent stitching all throughout everything.
Oh, this jacket looks amazing. This jacket, without a doubt, pops. I think this jacket's actually going to be owned by our warehouse manager, Alec, because it fits him, too, after we're done with this video. Something that's unique that they do with this Rideknit is the liner of the jacket, right, there's no liner behind this Rideknit. So it flows air freely. It's comfortable against the skin.
Yep. Not going to stick against the skin either.
No, stretches in all directions.
Yep.
And you're removing a layer. By taking the liner out of it, you're removing a layer, and the less layers you have, the more comfort and cooling that you're going to have. With this latest crop of Alpinestars high-end leather jackets, let's be honest, these things aren't getting any cheaper, are they?
No, not at all.
They're really focusing on blending all these different high-tech materials in it to get the rider, obviously the level of protection that they want, but a higher level of comfort and mobility. So you can have a jacket that fits like this. It's like a your race suit.
Like a race suit.
But it has comfort, so it becomes almost invisible while you're riding. Protection that it comes with. They've upgraded the elbow and forearm protection. This is the same BTAC stuff that's used in the Alpinestars race suits. Motion panel there in the elbow. For the shoulder, CE certified Nucleon armor is behind this external shoulder slider. Okay, it has a pocket in the back to accept back protection, either the extended back protector or the standard unit. It has pockets in the front that accept chest protection, the split chest protection. All of those pieces are sold separate. Back of the jacket, dude, even like the contrasting colors here in that Rideknit at the base of the neck, right? Gives you mobility and comfort, a pop of color.
For sure.
Motion panel here in the shoulder area. For the side of the coat, they're using this high-tech stretch they've developed, right? So instead of that being just leather, right, that's a high-tech stretch panel. Some Rideknit underneath it. Volume adjustment here is done with Velcro and leather. Front of the coat, screen printing, and the Rideknit, like even in the armpit area and stuff, it just looks absolutely amazing. One of the things I really like is the way they're terminating the cuffs. That gets covered by gloves. It's super thin, stretchy, and that just adds a level of comfort. If you have a jacket that's restrictive in the wrist or a suit, how's riding in that?
It's going to suck.
A lot.
Yeah.
With this, you do not have that problem. That is completely removed.
Not at all. Like, I even have a watch underneath this, and it doesn't even feel tight.
Which is crazy.
Which is crazy.
A lot of perforation here, up front. All the Rideknit's going to flow air freely. You've got some segmented perf here, tons of perf here, large perforated panels right there, zippered storage pockets on the outside, and notice how big those are. Easy in, easy out. Waterproof storage pocket on one side on the inside, another Velcro storage pocket on the other side on the inside of the coat. Nice screen printing.
Yeah.
Good looking coat.
Legendary. And also, these are Tech Air 5 or Tech
Air 5 and Tech Air 3. Almost forgot that, didn't I?
Yeah, exactly.
I did, yes. Tech Air 5 and Tech Air 3 ready. If you want to add airbag protection, this jacket is designed to manage a deployment of an airbag vest. $1 million question. These jackets are not getting any cheaper. Does this feel like $649?
I would wear this on the street, so yes, it does feel like $649.95.
All right. On to the second part. We're going to take this jacket off Max, pull it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The GP Plus R V4 Rideknit leather jacket from the inside out. CE certified armor in the shoulder. This is certified to level 1. This is their Nucleon Flex Plus, right? Super comfortable. Remember, it's going to work in conjunction with that external shoulder cup to deliver solid protection and coverage in that area. Got an all-new CE certified to level 2 elbow and forearm piece. Look how moldable, flexible, and comfortable that is, right? A lot of protection and a key impact zone included with the jacket. Now, optional, right? There are pockets for the chest protection and there are pockets for the back protection. The newest of the Alpinestars jackets are able to accept 2 different types of protectors, 2 different sizes. This is the standard size that would fit in this jacket, size medium. And this is the extended length version. It's the same protector with more coverage, right? Be exact, that much more coverage. So if you want coverage further down the spine, you're able, in select jackets, the newer ones, I'm going to show you how to identify that, you're able to install the extended length piece. How can you tell if your jacket offers that? It's basically a 2-stage pocket in the back of the jacket. You can see this gray extended flap right here. That is the second pocket. Open this up. If you see gray on the inside, or if you have 2 pockets, one that's a little shallower than the other, your jacket is able to accept either one of these add-on protectors. We highly recommend adding, if you're not going to use the airbag vest, adding at a minimum the back protection to the jacket to complement what you have in the elbows, forearms, and shoulders. Chest armor can also be installed if you want to take the protection to the next level. Let's take a quick look at the coat while we got it off Max. All these technical materials they're using, this stuff, it just comes so far. It's really cool to see. Here's your Rideknit at the base of the neck. Got this rolled like neoprene or airprene collar, super comfortable against the skin. Rideknit all throughout here. Motion panel in the elbow, screen printed logos. There's that technical stretch that Alpinestars has developed here on both sides of the jacket. A-Star screen printed logo, volume adjustment here, Rideknit underneath. I like the contrasting patch of leather put in there. Zippered cuffs. Look at that. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, there is no liner behind the Rideknit. The Rideknit serves as its own liner. There's only liner used on the leather side, so you remove all that bulk in the inner arm. It's pretty cool. Inside the coat, nice comfortable mesh liner, zip to pants attachment system. Here is a pocket if you want to access the elbow armor. You need to zip open that pocket, reach up inside the sleeve. You're able to remove the armor if you choose to do so. The shoulder armor can be accessed through the Velcro pocket that's right in the liner. Super easy to get to that if you want to. Here are your chest armor pockets. Super easy access. Waterproof storage pocket here. Standard storage pocket over here. Little Alpinestars Protects logo right there. Tech Air ready. There you have it. This is the all-new Alpinestars GP Plus R V4 Rideknit leather jacket. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.